I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create Integration. Search and select a Trigger CoBlocks form. Now, click on the Fetch button, then navigate to the CoBlocks form and fill it out to retrieve the data. After fetching the form, you need a unique key to define it. However, the CoBlock form doesn't provide the unique key. That's why I added a hidden field and gave its value as a unique key. Now fill out the form. Return to the integration site to view the successfully fetched data. Now check all the fields under the object. Then choose the hidden field as a unique key. Set action. Now here search and select Encharge. Here, give a meaningful integration name as you want. To get API, please visit Encharge API console. Copy the API key and paste it here. Click Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Give one or multiple tags. Now do the field mapping. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Encharge. Then click Next. Now save the integration. Let's submit a form. Submit it. Now go to Encharge. Here is the data that came into Encharge through the integration. Thanks for watching.